Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the biggest drains now, radios and the screen. Turn Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC off when you do not need them, and switch the display to adaptive or a lower fixed brightness so the panel uses less power. Once done, reduce screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds and disable auto sync for accounts you don't need constantly refreshed. These immediate steps remove the largest continuous draws and give you noticeable battery gains within minutes. Now dig into apps and the system. Enable adaptive battery or background restrictions so the OS limits energy for apps you rarely use. Uninstall or disable bloatware and manually restrict background activity for apps that wake often. Make sure apps and the OS are updated because fixes reduce wake locks and an efficient code. Clear app caches if an app misbehaves and tighten location permissions to only while in use. Together, these reduce wake-ups and CPU usage that silently drain your battery. Finish with advanced safeguards and checks. Configure battery saver or a custom low power profile to kick in at your preferred threshold, for example 20%, so you have predictable runtime. If you still see fast drain, check battery health in settings and boot into safe mode to test for rogue apps causing wake locks. Make sure to back up critical data before considering a factory reset. If that fails, resetting often clears deep software issues. If problems continue, check the charger and cable. Faulty charging can mimic battery failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.